What's up, guys? I am so excited to finally get a chance to ride the Naxeon IAM. This is a 72 volt, 72 mile per hour electric motorcycle that retails for $8,000. At that price point, it competes with a lot of modded e-bikes that people are spending $10,000, $12,000 on. So today we're just gonna give it a little spin around this parking lot and go up and down the street because I do not have a motorcycle license yet, but I plan on getting one after sitting on this and feeling how comfortable and nimble and lightweight it feels. Considering 300 pounds, it does not feel like that, but let's hop on it. And before we do that, we're gonna see how you unlock it. Tayo has it set up to unlock when you approach it and sit on it. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Wow. Oh, this is crazy. So let's hit the kickstand. We're currently in zigzag mode. I'm gonna put that in sail, which is like the eco equivalent. I think we're all set. So we need to, well, first let me show you a really cool feature that is a godsend for something like this. And it's not something you can find on an internal combustion motorcycle. It literally has reverse. So the bike is unlocked. We hold the reverse button. You can see the backup camera comes on. And as you're holding the button, you just give it a little throttle. And we're backing up. So now you can pull in and out of parking spots without having to do the kickstand spin. And now we're back in drive automatically and we are all set. We've got the ready and the little red light. That means it's recording. Okay. This also has cameras on the front and the back, SD card slot. It records your rides automatically as soon as you turn the bike on. And I'm scared and excited. Let's go. But as soon as I got on this thing, the first thing I did was jump up and down on it. And my goodness, the suspension on this thing is so plush. It's got a monoshock suspension on the front, which basically looks like the rear shock on a surron. So if you've ridden a surron before, you already know how cushy that is. And the rear shock, I believe, has the same setup and it just feels oh so good. I am now very much tempted to go get my motorcycle license because this is amazing. 100 miles of range, probably a little more for somebody my size. I'm only like 150 pounds, but I believe they advertise this at 110 or 111 miles of range. Suspension, amazing. Really quick, these little lights here, when you accelerate, I guess when you're going faster, you'll see it when I take off here, but you'll see these lights climb up and that kind of lets you know that your throttle is active. This actually is equipped with blind spot detection, but in order to enable that, you have to reach out to Naxeon and get the module, which goes in the back of the bike. And then that'll actually make it so when people are behind you, just like in your car, you'll be able to tell. And the way it lets you know is that these go from white to amber, which is a beautiful touch. But the brakes feel great. You got turn signals, of course. The turn signals click, which I absolutely love. So let's go ahead, make this left and open this thing up a little bit and see how it feels. Cancel the turn signal and super smooth. Like, this bicycle helmet definitely wasn't made for speeds like this. I really hope you guys can hear me because it is really windy. Should have put my motorcycle helmet on. And let's change this to from sail to dynamic. That's like the middle setting. And then let's put it on zigzag. That's the fastest. And let's see how the acceleration feels. Oh, so smooth. I don't feel much of a difference, which isn't a bad thing. The acceleration feels almost the same. I believe it's just a top speed thing. I believe sail is 59, dynamic is 64, and then zigzag gives you 72 miles of top speed. But the suspension feels so nice. And it's electric. And yes, I am taking it on a sidewalk. But man, for $8,000, 72 volts, 100 miles of range, 72 miles an hour, all the bells and whistles you'd find on something like a Tesla, I'm absolutely in love. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the Naxeon IAM. Rusty, you didn't come. What happened? What happened? Are you crying?
He's in good hands.